ये इंटरव्यू आप इस तरह से देखिए कि जैसे आपका इंटरव्यू हो रहा है और मैं आपसे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूं। जब भी मैं कोई क्वेश्चन कैंडिडेट से पूछूं तो आप वीडियो को पॉज कर दीजिए और आप खुद उसका आंसर देने की कोशिश करिए, और ऐसा करने से आपको मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिलेगी इस वीडियो से और आपके क्वेश्चंस की बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो पाएगी। और अगर आप एक एक्सपर्ट फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर बनना चाहते हैं और इन सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देना चाहते हैं तो आपके फंडामेंटल्स बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए। इस पूरे इंटरव्यू में मैं आप देखेंगे कि मैं फंडामेंटल्स पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करूंगा। तो आपके अगर फंडामेंटल्स स्ट्रांग है तो आप कोई भी एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हैं और कोई भी इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर सकते हैं। फ्रंट एंड के फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं HTML, CSS और जावास्क्रिप्ट। इसमें सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट जो होता है इंटरव्यूज के अंदर वो होता है जावास्क्रिप्ट। अगर आप जावास्क्रिप्ट के एक्सपर्ट बनना चाहते हैं और कोई भी फ्रंट एंड इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारा द कंप्लीट जावास्क्रिप्ट कोर्स फॉलो कर सकते हैं, जो कि आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा मेरे इसी चैनल पे। उसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। और अगर आप पूरा का पूरा वेब डेवलपमेंट ही सीखना चाहते हैं जिसके अंदर HTML, CSS, जावास्क्रिप्ट, रिएक्ट, रिडक्स, गिटहब, ये सारी चीजें अगर आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो उसके ऊपर मैंने कंप्लीट कोर्स बनाया है, उसका भी लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूंगा। आप जरूर से जाके इन कोर्सेज को चेकआउट करिए क्योंकि ये सारे कोर्सेज कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं। तो चलिए अपना इंटरव्यू शुरू करते हैं।
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून। ओके, सो first introduce yourself and then we will move towards the interview.
Okay, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Neha Madhesia, and I have done BTech with IT stream from BIT Lucknow. And currently, I'm learning front-end development, and I have basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React. And I'm fresher.
Okay,
That's all
that's
about me.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So, how long you have been learning these things?
Sir, from past 7 to 8 months,
Okay,
I'm learning these things. Yes, sir.
okay. So this interview will be mainly focused in three rounds. First round will be
Okay,
theoretical round where I will ask you some questions,
okay, sir.
some theoretical questions. You will have to answer those questions. And then second round
Yes,
will
sir.
be some output based questions. I will send you some JavaScript code snippets. You'll have
Yes,
to
sir.
answer those. Third round will be some machine coding round where I will ask you to develop something. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम इस वीडियो के स्पॉन्सर के बारे में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। इस वीडियो को स्पॉन्सर किया है गीक्स फॉर गीक्स ने। गीक्स फॉर गीक्स आपके लिए बहुत ही अमेजिंग ऑफर लेके आए हैं। एक चैलेंज उन्होंने लॉन्च किया है 390 चैलेंज। ये जो चैलेंज है ये केवल अप्रैल के महीने में वैलिड रहेगा। अगर इस चैलेंज के दौरान अगर आप GFC के ऊपर कोई भी कोर्स खरीदते हैं और उसको 90 डेज़ के अंदर 90% कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं तो आपको 90% का रिफंड मिल जाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप कोई भी कोर्स 4000 रुपये का खरीदते हैं और उसको 90 डेज़ के अंदर 90% कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं तो आपको 3600 रुपीज़ का रिफंड मिल जाएगा। आपको रिफंड कर दिया जाएगा वो अमाउंट। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है GFC के ऊपर कोई भी कोर्स परचेस करने का। अगर आप कोई भी कोर्स परचेस करने की सोच रहे थे तो आप इस महीने में अगर परचेस करेंगे तो ही ये ऑफर वैलिड रहेगा। ये ऑफर केवल अप्रैल के महीने के लिए है। तो जाइए, आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में GFC का लिंक मिल जाएगा। आप वहाँ से कोई भी कोर्स परचेस कर सकते हैं और अपनी लर्निंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। हम इंटरव्यू पे वापस आते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। कैन यू टेल
Okay,
मी
sir.
व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ डॉक टाइप इन HTML?
Doc type.
Yes.
Uh, no, sir. Actually,
Okay.
HTML have the basic boilerplate, and doc
Okay.
type including the
Okay.
this.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. What is the use of alt tag on images?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the use case of alt tags?
Or
Alt.
tag in images.
Yes, yes.
So in images we use alt tag for. Um, sir, I'm not clear about this.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what are semantic tags?
Yes, so semantic tags are the tags which have a specific meaning in HTML, like table tag, form tag, and header, footer, section.
Yes.
These all are the semantic tags.
Yes. So,
Yes, sir.
like apart from carrying meaning, is there any other benefit? of using semantic tags?
Well, it helps. So semantic tags helps in code optimization and search engine optimization.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Okay. What is uh, what is the purpose of head tag? Why do we use head tag in HTML documents?
So head tag to including some CSS files.
Okay. Apart from that, any other thing?
Apart
What
from
what are
that,
all the things that we put inside in head tag?
so title section. We can
Yes.
put title section in head tag.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Basically, we can put other things also like favicon. We can put meta description, right? We can connect
Yes.
JavaScript files also. Any external file we
Yes.
want to load, we can put there.
So, but JavaScript, we prefer Java to include JavaScript file in below the code.
Yes, that is one way. But we can put on the top with differ attribute. If you put on top, like in head tag with differ attribute, that will be more optimized. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you don't use differ attribute, it will give error. It will not access DOM elements because it is coming before HTML. But if we put differ attribute, it will work fine. It will load faster. Okay.
Sir, what is differ attribute? I know about attribute, but what is differ?
Okay. So the next question is, what are attributes? Just tell me this.
Attributes are basically the additional information about the tag, like type equals to text or email. So these are the attributes.
Yes, correct. So in the same way, there is a differ attribute which we can add on script tags. So if we add differ attribute, our JavaScript loads from the server, but it does not execute until HTML becomes like ready. Okay. So it
Okay,
waits
sir.
for the HTML to be ready. Once
To
HTML is
prevent the
ready,
pages from the errors, right?
yes, to prevent like let's say if we want to select some element document.query selector h1, but
Yes, sir.
we have included a script in head tag, then it will not if we don't add differ attribute, it will not select anything. It will give null. Okay.
Okay,
So, but if we put differ attribute, it will be good. Like it will be loaded faster. Like initially when HTML will parse, it will load initially. Like in the start, it will load, and
yes,
like when all the HTML is parsed, that is ready, then it will be executed. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So we can do these things to include the below of the code, like in body tags.
We can like many people add it in body tag below, but
Yes, sir.
it it won't be as fast as we include in the head tag with differ attribute. So
Okay.
so because HTML is long, like it can be very long.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
your JavaScript file will be loaded once all the HTML is parsed. Okay. Uh,
Yes, sir.
but if we include it in header, so in the starting itself, the JavaScript file will be downloaded, but it will not be executed until HTML is ready. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
you can watch this in my JavaScript playlist. Like your first JavaScript code, there is one video. I think it is my
Okay.
first main video. Like second video, you can watch. You will understand differ keyword. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is difference between div and span?
Sir, there are difference between div and span. Both are used as a container, but div is a block level container, and span is a inline. Means block level means the content which is written in the div takes the whole width of the screen, but span takes the only width of content.
Okay,
So
that's
it is
true.
inline level.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So apart from this width difference, is there any other difference like full width and content width? Any other difference?
So Div starts from the new line and span start from the same line next to the content.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
any other important difference?
And div have width and height, but span tag don't have their width and height.
Uh, don't have width and height. If some
We
element,
can't we can't we
yes,
can't give a particular width and height to the
yeah,
span tag.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's how you should say. Because if an element does not have height and width, you cannot see that.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Okay, yeah, correct. So now let's move to some CSS questions. Can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what is like what is full form of CSS?
Cascading style sheet.
Okay. So what is the meaning of cascading?
Basically, cascading means the specificity, like priority to the styling. If there are element, so we have to decide like which one comes on the first priority or second priority or third priority. Like inline elements have
Hmm,
a
hmm,
high priority, and after
Okay.
that embedded is a internal, and low priority is a external CSS.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, you are partially correct, partially incorrect. Like
Yes,
cascading,
sir.
cascading decides that which rule will be applied. It is similar to specificity, but it is not. Okay, it is different. So you need to learn like what is cascading exactly. I have made one
Yes.
video on cascading specificity and inheritance in CSS. You can go to my CSS
Okay.
playlist and watch that. If I will go about explaining here, it will take a very long time and interview
Yes,
time
sir.
will be very long. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, you know important keyword in CSS.
Important.
Yes. Have you
No, sir.
used? You have not used important in CSS?
It is like required or something?
Mm, no, that is in HTML we give on input elements.
No, sir, I don't know. Important.
Okay, then you should learn. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and I made a video on that also.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
can you explain what is box model?
Box model. Basically, box model have a four properties like border, padding, margin, and content.
Hmm.
And these are the default properties of the box model. Like from border to content, it should take padding, I think, and from the outer gap or distance, it is taking margin.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what is difference between box sizing border box and box sizing content box?
Box sizing content box is the default value of the box model,
Yes.
and it includes all things, previous four things. And but box sizing border box is includes border, padding, and content, but it doesn't include margin from outside.
Okay, but in content box margin is also included.
Yes, sir.
No, that's how it is. That's not how it is. Okay, there is slight difference. Uh, Basically, if we give content box sizing, by default it is content box. So let's say
Yes,
there
sir.
is a box which has height
Yes,
and width 100 pixel, 100 pixel.
yes,
And
sir.
if we give 10 pixel padding on all
Yes,
sides,
yes, sir.
then 10 pixel padding will be added like from top and bottom. So 10 left side, 10 right side. So total width, its 10 width will be 120, 10, 10,
Yes,
20, and top
yes, sir.
bottom also 10, 10, 20. So the whole box size will become 120 by 120.
Yes,
But
sir.
if we give And also border, if we add border 10 pixel,
Yes, sir.
so it will be 140 by 140, and the
Yes.
content area will be 100 pixel, 100 by 100. But if we
Yes, sir.
give content box, which is like if we give border box, then what will
Mm-hmm.
happen? Uh, the final width will be 100 only, because we have given 100 by 100,
Yes,
and
sir.
20 pixel will be taken from its width. Like in that case, its content width will be 60 by 60, because 20 will be given to padding, 20 will be given to border. So the box size will be less. So this is the difference. Okay. And margin
Okay.
doesn't have to do anything. Only border and padding, these things are included. Okay. Margin is always outside.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's move to JavaScript. So
Okay, sir.
is JavaScript single threaded or multi-threaded?
JavaScript single-threaded
Okay.
language.
Okay. What does it mean?
The code is run line by line
Yes.
in JavaScript. Yes, sir.
Okay. That's correct. So how does, okay, now let's move to next question. What
Okay, sir.
uh, what are different data types in JavaScript?
So there are mainly two different data types in JavaScript: primitive and reference. In primitive, we can add number, boolean, number, boolean, or null value, and string, and undefined.
Hmm.
And in reference value, object like.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's true. So why the two difference? Like why there are two categories? What is the main difference?
Sir, when we want to copy the firstly we have a two element. Okay, so when we want to copy the value of first element in that second element, so referring to that it is referring to that value,
Yeah. Yeah.
their reference value. So it is
Yes.
called reference. And for copying the real value, we can use three dots.
Yeah, that's correct. Like objects
Yes,
are
sir.
copied by reference.
Yes.
They hold reference. Okay. Like what is the difference between let and var?
Basically, let and var is used to store the value, and the first difference is var is from let is introduced in ES6, and var is function scope and let is a block scope. Means we can access the value of let in only that block where it's defined, and uh, we can update the value and redeclare the value of the var, but we can't redeclare the value of let, but we can update the value.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what is BOM? BOM.
Yeah, I heard about this like browser object model,
Yeah.
but I don't know the exact meaning
Okay.
of this.
Okay. All right. Then can you
Yes,
tell me the like what is DOM?
yes, sir. DOM is a document object model, and it is used to dynamic to make some things dynamic.
Okay. Some things means what? Some things. What
Means
things?
like elements and out pages dynamic.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what if there is no DOM? Can't we? Can we not do that? Like without
We
DOM?
can do that, but DOM making things easier.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me a little bit? Like this is what it does. Like what is DOM? You told like what DOM does,
Yes, sir.
but what is the DOM? Like
So document object model, I just know these things.
that is just full form. If you have to
Yes,
explain
sir.
someone, how will you explain what is DOM? How you understood?
Mm, DOM is like a tree-like structure
Okay.
in JavaScript.
Okay. So
Yes.
in the full form, document, like the full form is document object model.
Yes, sir.
So what does the word document say? Like what is document here? Which document that word document is referring to?
Document means elements.
Okay. Is like element is, so it should be element object model, right? And why it is document object model?
Uh, Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
I'm not able to recall this.
okay. So basically document means HTML document. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And document object model means the object representation of HTML. So in our document object model, every HTML element will be present. Okay. And HTML
Yes,
has
sir.
tree-like structure. Tree-like structure means parent, child, its child, its child,
Yes,
child, child.
parent, child, and
Yeah.
subchilds. Yes, sir.
So the same way HTML has parent to child structure, tree-like structure. In the same way that DOM structure is there. So
Okay.
we can open its child and its child and its child.
Document referring to the HTML structures.
Like I have made a video, detailed video on DOM. You need to watch that to understand what is DOM and why do we use it. Okay. How
Yes,
it
sir.
helps. Okay. You will have to understand why what is DOM.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move to React.js also.
Yes, sir. I know React.
Okay.
Means currently I'm learning React.
Okay. Then let's not go to React part. I will
Okay, sir.
I will send you some questions, output based questions. You can share
Okay,
your
sir.
screen now.
Okay, sir. Mm, is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Now open VS Code and open one file inside VS Code.
Okay, sir. Sir, here's VS Code and open one file. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Connect this file to one HTML file and open that HTML file with live server.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Zoom your this VS Code. Zoom it few
Good.
times.
Is it good, sir?
One more time.
Okay, sir.
Close this file menu on the side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now I have sent you one question in Google Meet chat.
This one, sir.
Yes, copy that question and paste in VS Code.
And
So the question is what will be output of this code?
okay. Sir, undefined, sir.
Okay. Can you explain how it will be undefined?
Yes, sir. Because this will give us undefined because the value we are printing x here, and in JavaScript redeclaration moved to the top due to hoisting concept, so it will be undefined
Okay, that's true.
because
So
we are giving the value here. like in line number 5, and we are printing the value before the initialize, before the giving to the exact value, so it will give us undefined.
Yes, that is correct. Now
Yes, sir.
let me send you another question.
Remove this. Can I remove this?
Yes, you can remove that.
What is this? Copy and paste, sir?
Yeah, you can copy paste.
5 plus 3. Okay. So string plus number. We are concatenating. Sir, I think it will give error. I think
Okay, don't check
we
now.
are right.
Okay, error
Also,
which both line will give error or first line or second line?
sir, both line.
Okay, what will be the reason why error will come?
Because we are adding a string to the number. Both are
Okay,
different. Yes.
okay, okay. So we cannot do operation on different data types, correct?
We can
Okay,
say.
okay. You can check the output. You can go
Okay,
to
sir.
that.
This is not giving error. 53. Mm,
Did you understand what is happening?
I don't understand. Yes, no, sir.
Okay. So basically in JavaScript, we can perform mathematical operation on different data types. Like if one is a string, one is number,
Mm,
you can open VS Code.
yes, sir.
Then we can perform mathematical operation if the string is convertible to a number. Okay. So
Mm,
like this 5 in a string, it is convertible to a number. So it will be, so behind the scenes, JavaScript is type conversion. So it automatically converts the type. So in the case of first first line, 3 will be converted to a string, and both strings will
yes,
be concatenated. That's why it is giving 53. But in the second
yes, sir.
case, the 5 in a string, it will be converted to number, and 3 will be subtracted from that. That's why it is giving true 2. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we can perform operations.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is any specification that one which should change in which one?
There is
Like
no, yeah,
changing, he changing in uh, a number.
yes. So only in case of plus, if one is a string, they will be
Okay.
converted to a string and added. But in case
Yes, sir.
of other operations, they will be converted to number. Okay.
Okay.
So I will send you next question.
Okay, sir. The first one is true and the second one is false.
Can you explain why it is?
Yes, sir. Because 5 is, according to you, 5 converted into some uh, number value, so it
Hmm.
should be false, and a 3 equal operator determines the uh, type of the that value. So it will, this is number and this is string, so it should give us false, I think.
That is correct. You can check it.
Okay, so yes, sir.
So it is basically why it is giving true in the case of first
Sorry,
first
sir.
line. Why it is giving true for first line?
Because it is not comparing the type of the value. Just it I think 5 is converting into string and giving us true.
Yes. Technically,
Yes.
we cannot say it is not converting. Behind the scenes,
Yes.
it is converting to same type and then comparing. Like
Oh,
we cannot say it is not comparing the type. It will
yes.
automatically convert to same data type. It can convert it to a string or it can convert it to number and then it will
Okay.
compare. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This question. I've sent you one more question.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Type of not a number. Type of not a number. Okay, so I think it's null value.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can check.
Okay, sir. It is number.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
No, sir, because its full form is not a number. So
Yeah.
why it is giving us number?
So it is number. It is number actually. Not a number. Why it is number? We can think of it like this: that let's say if we try to convert one string to a number,
Yes,
uh, just write one string
yes,
like
sir.
in the console log, or just to come to the browser console. I will tell you browser console.
Okay,
Increase the height. Yes. Now increase the width and zoom. Zoom more, 2 times more.
now, sir.
Yeah. Now it's good. Now, clear the console and just write one string and in the string write 12. 12 in the string. No. Create one string. 12 in don't need to create a variable. Just without any variable.
Okay, 12.
12. Now the next question is how you will convert it to number. Convert it to number. Your task. This is your task.
Convert it into a number.
Yes.
Mm, split operators.
What is split?
No, split is used. No, sir. Split is used to converting array to string. String to array.
Yes.
Mm, so I don't know how to convert this
Okay.
to number.
So there are many ways to convert it into a number. The easiest and shortest way is to put a plus sign before a
Yes,
string. Plus in the front. like before that. No, not here. Before single double quotes. Yes. Now press enter. So it will be converted to
Okay, sir.
number.
Yeah, you
No,
told me about this.
yeah, where I told.
What, sir?
When did I tell you this?
Sir, in 5 plus 3, when there is only plus operator,
Yeah.
so it
Yes.
should
So
convert into number.
yeah. So this is like
Yes,
this
sir.
is the smallest form. Like whenever we put a plus sign, it will be converted to a number. And now press up
Okay, sir.
arrow. Press up arrow. And
Yes, sir.
instead of writing 12, write hello. Remove or hi. Just write hi. Hi. Press
Hi.
enter. Press enter. It is giving NAN.
Okay.
So
Okay,
this
sir.
means that uh, we are trying to convert a string to a number, but it is not possible. Like, how will you convert hi to a number? It doesn't make sense, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is a value which could have been a number, but now it is not a number. So it is not a
Yes, sir.
number, but in the data type, it is number. Like anything,
Yes, sir.
like anything which meant to be a number, like only something which wanted to be a number, which had to be a number, that can be
Hmm.
not a number, right? We cannot
Yes,
call
sir.
a string not a number because that is completely different, right? So not a
Yes, sir.
number is in the category of number because that is something which had to be a number. So this is this reason we can think. Now I will send you next question. I have sent you in chat. You can copy and paste in VS Code. I
Okay,
have
sir.
sent
Can I
you.
cut this?
Don't cut it. Don't let it be open. We will come here again. We'll come back.
Not a number.
So question is what will
What,
be
sir?
output? Question is what will be output in the console?
Okay, not a number is equals to number. This should give true.
Okay. Okay, you can check it.
True,
You
sir.
can okay, you can run it and check.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
False. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So
Yes,
it
sir.
is false. Yeah.
So this is giving false. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes. I can hear you. So do you know why it is going false?
Yes, sir.
Do you know why it is going false?
Mm, no, sir. Because both are the same value number, so
Yes.
it should give true.
Yes. So the reason behind this is that not a number can come from any string, can come from
I'm not
anywhere.
audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this
Yes, sir.
not a number is equal to not a number. This is false because not a number can come from any string. Like it can come from hi, it can come from hello, right? So this is why it is false. Okay. I think
Yes, sir.
your there is some problem in your network. So
Okay, sir.
uh, you can try
Yes, sir.
to. Am I clear? Like, can you hear me clearly?
So in my network,
Uh,
yes, sir. I'm able to hear you.
okay, let's continue then. If we'll face any problem, we can try
Okay,
to
sir.
rejoin again, disconnect. Okay. Right now it
Okay,
is
sir.
okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will send you last question and then we will move to some practical question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Console log 1 is mm, so let me think about this. One is so true and false.
Okay. Why?
It's comparing to. I'm just confused about this.
Okay. So did you already saw this question somewhere?
I saw that this type of questions it is converting some things I know, but
Okay.
I'm not able to recall that concept.
Okay. No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
You can check the answer and then we can move to the next round.
Okay. Yes, sir. True and false.
Yeah, but only telling the output will not does not mean anything.
I
Okay.
know.
Hmm.
Wait,
Yeah, you have to tell the reason why it is happening. Okay, now we will move to next part. So
okay, sir.
show me your HTML file. Close this terminal.
So HTML.
Okay, in HTML file, write one H1.
One H1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello world. Just write hello world.
Yes, sir.
Uh, mm, okay, now come to JavaScript file
Yes, sir.
and what you have to do is the text content which is written inside hello world,
Hmm.
you need to like first create one array with 4 words.
Hmm.
Use const. Don't create variables like this. Use const in this case. Put 4 words
Yes, sir.
like uh, 4 names. You can give. You can think of any name. Like you can
In
give.
string.
Yes, in a string you need to give 4 names. Name of person.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what I want you to do is when anyone clicks on H1, what you have to do is
Yes.
like change hello world to Neha. Okay. If user clicks again, then change it to Khushi. If user clicks again, change it to Nidhi. You got it, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is what you need to do.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'll click. Change. Change. Sir, what is the question?
On click, whenever we click on H1,
Yes, sir.
the value should change to Neha. Right now it is hello world. It should change to
Hmm.
Neha. If user clicks again, it should change to Khushi. If user clicks again, it should change to Nidhi. And then if user clicks again, it should change to Astha. And if user clicks again, it should go to Neha again. Like if the list is completed, it should start from 0 again. Got
Okay,
it?
sir. Okay, sir. Change to value.
Need some hint.
Yes, sir.
Break down the problem. And now the problem is just change hello world to anything. Like let's just forget about array. Let's say array is not there. Comment out that. Comment out the array also. Now when
Yes, sir.
user clicks on the H1, you need hello world to hi. You need to change that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will it work?
Sir, can I show the output?
Yeah, you can always keep seeing the output, and whatever error
Okay.
comes, you can
Okay.
keep seeing the error.
Mhm. Change or something.
Oh, that was correct. You don't need to change that.
Change value.
Just check the console. What is happening in the console?
Okay, sir.
No, you don't need to console log anything. First, open the browser.
Here.
Open the console here. Expand the browser width also, like reduce the console width. See what it is giving.
Change value dot on click is not a function.
What could be the reason here?
I'm passing call back.
No, like
And
this first check if you have what you have selected, like H1,
yes, sir.
is it selected properly? Console log change value. Just see what is inside change value. It is there, right? Now on click event.
Inner HTML, I think. Okay.
No, it is selected properly, but on click event is not available, I think, on H1. Just open it, scroll down, you will see all the events. On
click.
On click is there, right? So
Yes, sir.
now come back and see what mistake you are doing. It is like, now is it correct? Like the way you are doing, is it correct? On click.
Yes, sir.
No, it is not correct. You have to do it like this: on click equal to this callback function. You are
Sir, give me some more time. Like I can create a function and change something.
no, it won't work like this. You have to do equal to, on click equal to change.
On click.
Remove that. You don't need to call this.
Okay.
Just do equal to and just paste whatever you have copied. Paste it. Paste if you have copied the function, callback function, you can paste here.
No, sir.
You don't need to call that. Remove that calling. Like after on click parenthesis, you need to remove. No, you removed from the wrong. You removed from the wrong place. Remove after on click. Equal to should be there. Yes. Now you can check what happens.
This is inner HTML. No. Yes, sir.
Try to click on H1 on higher. Okay. Okay. It works.
Yes, sir. It works.
Refresh once again. Yes. Is it working?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. It is. Do you know why it is working? Refresh again, and click on that. Refresh again. Okay, click on that
Yes, sir.
and inspect that. Come to Elements tab. Come to the Elements tab. Yes. open body and or inspect, just inspect H1 directly.
This one?
Yes, yes. Show me your code.
This?
Yes, okay. You have written inner HTML. Yes, now it is working. Now you need to implement that. Now you have made it work. You need to keep changing. Like on clicking first time, it should give Neha, and then Khushi, and
Yes.
then Nidhi. You got it right. Now it is working.
Yes, sir.
You can remove this change function. It is not doing anything.
Changed. Can you it open now?
So your time is almost over. Like if you want, if you think you can do, you can take 5 more minutes. If you think you cannot
So
do,
I
then
need
we.
just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Change. Change better. So I'm not sure about this.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now you can stop sharing your screen. अगर आपने जीएफसी का 390 चैलेंज नहीं चेकआउट किया है तो आप जरूर से जाके चेकआउट करिए। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा। और जीएफसी के ऊपर डीएसए इन जावास्क्रिप्ट का एक बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्स है जो कि मैंने खुद परचेस किया था। अगर आप उस कोर्स को भी खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको भी खरीद सकते हैं। उसका भी लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। Yes. Now tell me, how many points will you give to yourself out of 10 points?
3 to 4, I think.
Yes, that's correct. So
Yes, sir.
what does that mean? Like,
That means I have to prepare myself.
yeah, you have to work a lot. Like, the concepts are not clear. Whatever you are explaining in the interview, you have just like you don't know the depth. Like you don't have that knowledge that how things are working, how code is running. You just knew some answers, like, and you are able to answer those things, but you
Yes,
don't
sir.
know why it is happening, which is very important.
Yes, sir.
And what did you learn from this interview?
That I have to work on myself and clear my concept in depth.
Yes. So, like, without learning properly, without your clearing your concept, you will never be selected. These are the questions
So
which
there
I
is
have.
a something that when I learn something, then I know about that. But after some time, when I move to the next topic or next subjects or something, so I just forget all the concept, all the previous concept.
Yes, it happens with everyone. It is not that only this is the case with only you. It happens with everyone. The only uh, the only thing that you should do to remember is you don't need to remember it. Okay, you don't need to revise it again and again. Don't revise it. Use it. Make projects. If you will make projects, yes, only one thing that you need to do is make project. When you make projects, all of your concepts will be revised automatically. You don't need to revise it. Okay, revise it for making project.
I just
Whenever,
prefer video and follow along that video. I quote
yeah,
some
you will
something.
You will not learn anything just by following along whatever the instructor is doing. All you are doing is typing. Okay. So it is better to do typing on typeracer.com other than watching video and typing. Okay. So the first step is clear your concepts. Okay. Understand what is DOM. Okay. Understand how it is working. Understand what is browser object model. Understand how this conversion works, type conversion or something. Understand like all the concepts. The first step to become a good developer is understand the concepts, understand the fundamentals. The second
Yes,
step is to practice those concepts, make projects. So when I say make projects, that means make projects by yourself without watching videos. So whenever you will follow some course, there will be some projects in that course. Okay,
yes, sir.
those projects are enough. Okay, those projects you need to watch and make video, like you need to follow along. Okay, so initially, let's say you have learned the concept, now you want to make some project. Initially,
Yes, sir.
1-2 video, like maximum 3 video, or 3 videos more than enough. You can watch three,
Mm.
you can follow along with 3 videos. And
Okay.
follow along means you will have to understand all the things that instructor is writing in the video. You just don't need to copy and paste, like whatever he's doing, just copying, pasting, and it is working, which means it is good. You are making project. That does not mean like it is not how it is supposed to be done. You need to
Yes, sir.
understand each and every line of code, why he is writing it. If he is using some concept which you don't know, you need to pause that video. You need to go to some other video where that concept is taught. For example, if someone is using his REST operator or a
Yes,
spread
sir.
operator, you need to pause and you don't know that how it works. What is it?
Mm.
So you need to pause the video, you need to search this, you need to go through it, even if it take 1 day, 2 day, 1 hour, 2 hour, it can take any amount of time depending upon the topic.
Yes,
If
sir.
it takes, you don't continue that project video until you understand this concept. Once you understand this concept, go back to that video and continue. This is how you need to make 2-3 projects maximum. Okay, and then start making projects by yourself. Only when you will write the code by yourself, you will learn how to code. By
Sir,
watching
when I
videos,
stuck somewhere, so what should I do?
when you're stuck somewhere, right,
Yes, sir.
you need to first you need to do googling. Okay, learn how to Google. You can solve almost all kind of problem on Google if you know how to Google properly. That is first step. If you don't
Yes.
get your answer on Google, make some friends who are already good in JavaScript, like maybe in college or in some community, online community. You can make some friends on our ProCodrr Telegram group. Okay, so you need to have 1 or 2 friends who can help you, but don't be dependent on them. Try to
Yes, sir.
find answers yourself because they will not be available always. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if your concepts are clear, fundamental things are clear, 99% of the time you will not face any problem which you cannot solve by yourself. Only if your fundamental concepts are not clear, you will get stuck and you will not be able to solve.
Sir, how to clear my fundamentals like watching tutorials?
Yes, you should watch my JavaScript playlist and CSS playlist. And while watching it, don't watch it blindly. Like just
Yes,
don't
sir.
watch it like a movie. Watch it properly. Whatever I'm doing on my screen, you need to do it. You need to explore the dev tools, whatever I'm showing. So you need to learn in a practical way. You need to like watch right course. You can watch my course. I have
Yes, sir.
explained everything in a practical way. Nothing is theoretical. You will see everything. You will see JavaScript code running line by line, which is very important.
Okay.
So you need to clear, like, first when I see clear your concept, that means watch or learn. If you are like reading, you can read some good sources. Otherwise, you can watch my videos, my playlist. If you want to learn JavaScript, you can watch JavaScript playlist.
I
If you,
prefer videos, so I'm going for video
yeah,
lectures.
yeah, you prefer videos, but don't watch it like a movie. Follow along. Don't follow along blindly. If you don't understand anything, you can comment and ask, like, if you don't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
Most probably I will reply, but in some cases, if I don't reply, you can
Yes, sir.
try to comment again. If I will see again like same comment after one day, there is a chance that I will reply.
Okay,
Or
sir.
you can ask in the Telegram group. You can make some friends who are senior to you who can help. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is very important. Uh, like, otherwise you will not select. Okay. Okay, then we'll wrap up the interview. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.